In this tutorial, we'll explain how to set up dynamic pricing and discounts plugin for WooCommerce. Once the plugin is installed and activated, click on Plugin Settings option. The plugin settings are simple and properly organized into 4 tabs. The Discount Rules tab is where you configure all your discounts. The Settings tab contains options to enable or disable discount rules, and how they are calculated. And also, how the offers will be displayed in the store. In the License section, you should enter your license key for plugin activation. And lastly, in the Import/Export section, you can export or import rules on your WooCommerce store. First up, is the Product Rules section. Click on Add New Rule to get started. Consider we want to offer a discount of 10% when a product reaches $100 as subtotal price. In the Rules section, the first setting is to set custom name of the offer. Let's enter an offer name. Next setting is to select how the rules will be applied. The plugin provides 3 options. You can apply the discount for selected products, all products in the selected category, or all products in the cart. Let's apply this discount for a specific product. The next setting helps you to check for a specific product property to apply the discount. You can apply discount based quantity, weight, or price of the products. Select your choice, and enter the desired minimum and maximum range for the selected choice. For our demonstration, select the price option, and enter $100 as the minimum price. In the next setting, select the type of discount to be applied. Our plugin offers 3 types of discount: percentage discount, flat discount, and fixed price discount. Since we are offering a 10% discount, select percent discount option, and enter value 10 in the next text field, as shown. Moving to adjustment settings. In this section, you can set a maximum discount amount for the rule, which will restrict the discount amount. Adjustment field, to add an extra amount to the total amount. And lastly, if you enable allow repeat execution for a rule, then it would repeat the rule for the multiple of quantity specified in the rule section. But remember, for this option, the minimum and maximum quantity has to be equal. For example, consider you have configured the discount based on product quantity, and entered equal minimum and maximum value. On the cart page, you can increase the quantity of the product to see the difference in discount amount. As the quantity becomes multiple of the specified minimum and maximum quantity, the discount is applied. Next up is allowed roles and dates. As the name suggests, contains settings to restrict the rules for specific user roles and dates. Configure desired settings, and move further. The final subsection is called Restrictions. In this advanced setting, you can restrict discounts based on customer email IDs, specify minimum number of previous orders, and minimum total spending. Which means, the rule will only be executed when these minimum requirements are met. Finally, once all the settings are configured, click on Save Rule button. If multiple rules are defined for a product, then only the first match rule would be applied to the product, because that's the default option. You can change this in the Settings tab, which we will discuss in later part of this tutorial. The first match rule would be decided based on the execution order and the rule number. Every rule has a corresponding rule number. You can change that by simply dragging and dropping the respective rule. When you move to the front end of the store, you can see the discount rate applied as shown. In a similar way, you can configure category rules as well. The only difference here is that, instead of products, you can offer discounts on product categories. Now, let's move to Combinational Rules. Click on Add New Rule to get started. The interface remains pretty much same as in the product rules. However, there's a new feature introduced here. Now you can choose to give discounts to either one or more of the products from the specified combination. Let us offer a flat discount of $10 when a product is bought in combination of another specified product. This can be done in the following way. First, enter a desired offer name. Select the products to be offered in combination. You can set desired product quantity as well. Next, select discount type as flat discount, and specify the discount value of $10. Then go to restriction section, and in the apply discounts only on these products option, you can add any or all of the products from the combination which you have just created. If you leave this field blank, by default the discount rules is applied to all products in the combination. Click Save Rule to save the settings. When you add these products to the cart, the discount will be applied as shown. When the discounted product is removed from the cart, the discount is removed as well. Similarly, you can apply combinational rules to product categories as well. Let us now move to cart rules. Consider we want to offer a 10% discount when the cart total reaches $100. We will also add a maximum discount amount of $15. This means, when the total discount reaches $15, no further discount will be applied. Here's how we should configure this. First, enter a desired offer name. In the next option, select price option. Notice an additional option in the setting, number of items. This option checks for total number of different products in the cart, and is only available for cart rule settings. It is different from total units of individual product. Enter the minimum price to purchase as $100. Select the discount type as % discount, and enter the price value as 10. Next, go to Adjustment tab, and in the maximum discount amount setting, enter discount amount as 15. Click Save Rule to save the settings. Moving to cart page, increase the quantity of the product to reach cart total of $100. Once the total is reached, you can notice the discount applied. Further, you can increase the product quantity until the maximum discount is reached. Let us now configure buy one get one rules. This offer is pretty straightforward. When a customer purchases the product in offer, another product is offered free of cost, or at a very nominal rate. Here's how we should configure this. First, enter a desired offer name. Select the product to be purchased, and the product offered with it. You can even increase the product quantity as you like. Next, click on Adjustment tab. In the Adjustment Amount setting, enter the amount value as 5. This means, the free product will be offered at $5, regardless of its regular price. Here's how the discount is affected in the shop. When the offer product is added to the cart, the free product is automatically added to the cart, by default. You can notice the updated price of the secondary product. In this way, you can either offer a product at nominal cost, or free of cost as you wish. Similarly, you can configure buy one get one rules with product categories as well. The settings are pretty much the same. Now that we have configured discount rules, let us see how these rules are executed and displayed on the WooCommerce store, in the Settings tab. In the first section, we can see two columns. The right column indicates discount rules that are enabled. To disable a discount rule, select the respective rule, and click the left Shift button. To enable a discount rule again, select the desired discount rule, and click on right Shift button. You can change the order of discount rule by selecting a desired discount rule and moving its position in the reorder option. This will determine how the rules or discounts will be applied to the products. In the next section, you can select how the discount will be calculated. The plugin provides three options. Best discount, which checks for the best discount among all the discount rules, and applies. First match rule, which applies the first discount rule encountered for the product. All matched rule, which applies all the discounts for every product that comes under the discount rules. The Pricing Table tab is where we can configure how the available pricing discounts will be displayed for a particular product on its product page. You can choose to enable or disable this option, and specify where the pricing table is to be placed. You can also set a custom short name for product quantity in the pricing table. This is how the pricing table will be shown in the product page. The offers table displays all the available discount offers available for the product on its page. You can choose to enable or disable this table, and specify the position on product page. Here's how the offers table will be shown in the product page. For buy one get one offers, you can choose the add the free product automatically to the cart. If you have disabled this option, customers have to add the free product to the cart, manually. Once all these settings are configured, save the settings. The next major set of settings is to import or export the discount rules. To export a discount rule, select the desired one, and click Export. The rules will be exported to a JSON file. Remember, you can export only one type of discount rule at a time. To import a discount rule, select the discount rule to be imported, and select the condition for the same. There are 3 conditions for importing. You can overwrite the rules, if the rule number already exists. Create rule with new rule number, which assigns new rule numbers to the rules imported, including the duplicate ones. The last condition allows you to skip rules, if the rule number already exists. Next, select the file to be imported, and click Import. Remember, you can import rules using JSON file only. The final setting is to delete all discount rules, and reset the plugin to its initial state. In this way, you can set up dynamic pricing and discount plugin for WooCommerce. To know more about the plugin, refer the product page. You can also check the documentation for the same here. And for any queries, feel free to contact our support team. We'll be happy to help you out.